Mastering Everyday English. Move House, Explained. Hello, dear friends and English learners. Today, we've got a very practical phrase on our agenda: move house. Whether you're planning on relocating or simply curious about how to talk about this big life event in English, this video will give you all the details you need to understand and use this phrase correctly. So, let's unpack move house and get you comfortable with this common English expression. Move house is a phrase that means to change your place of residence. It involves packing up all your belongings from your current home and transferring them to a new one. In many English-speaking countries, this phrase is as common as the act itself. But why not just say, move? Well, move can be a general term for any type of movement. But when you add house, it specifies that you are changing your living arrangements. You can use move house in various contexts. When you're planning to change your living place, you might say, I'm thinking about moving house next month. If you're asking someone if they have ever changed homes, you could ask, have you ever moved house? Or when you're telling a story about the past, you may share, the last time I moved house, it was such a hassle. Remember, the phrase is typically used when referring to the entire process of relocating from one home to another. Although move house is a standard phrase, there are a few variations that you might hear. Relocating. This is a more formal way to discuss moving house and is often used in professional and corporate settings. Changing residences, another formal variation. Shifting, used in some English-speaking countries, such as India, to mean the same thing. Knowing these variations can help you understand different conversations and contexts where moving from one home to another is discussed. Moving house can be an emotional and stressful time. In English-speaking cultures, it's a process that may come with many discussions about packing, hiring movers, and changing addresses. Friends might talk about housewarming parties, or how to best settle into a new neighborhood. Understanding this phrase helps you not only speak about moving physically but also engage in related social conversations. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and use of move house for you. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little phrases that make up the big picture. If you're about to move house or know someone who is, you're now equipped to discuss this experience in English. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try out new phrases. Until next time, happy learning!